Hi, and welcome to syGlass Academy. Today, I'm going to navigate you through the layout of the syGlass interface. When you open syGlass, you'll see this window, and there's three main sections to it. This is the OpenGL window, where you can see what the VR user is seeing. To the left is your project library, and the bottom is the project overview. All of your projects are stored in the project library, and they can be organized into folders. By right-clicking, you can create a new folder. And if you'd like to relocate them, just drag them into another folder or down to the regular project list to make it its own folder. Double-click to open or close a folder, or right-click on a folder to rename or to delete it. Let's highlight a project to look at a project overview section. The project overview will show you cards, notes, a star system, and a project path to show you where your project file lives. The rating and notes in your project overview help provide some kind of organization to enhance your workflow in syGlass. For example, if we type a note in the notes section of a project, we can go to the project library search bar at the top and search any keyword that'll help us find that project. Cards are to the right in your project overview. Cards are created when you capture a photo in syGlass. To learn more about cards, go to syGlass Academy and watch the tutorial labeled Card Feature. The viewing window can be expanded by clicking the icon in the top right corner. If you'd like to remove all of the icons from your screen, click V on your keyboard and click the top right corner again to minimize your syGlass window. In the top left of your syGlass window, you'll see a variety of drop-downs. These will be explained in other syGlass Academy tutorials. For help on using syGlass, go to the Help tab and click syGlass Academy. This will take you directly to all of your tutorials. If you encounter any other issues, contact us at info@syglass.io. Thanks for watching.